Hey guys, it's Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com, and this is another episode of the AskPTL show. And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about online jobs for pharmacy technicians. Let's talk about it.
Are there opportunities for pharmacy techs to work from home online out there? That would be ideal for me as a mom. I don't even mind being yelled at over PAs at this point. Thank you for your time.
Listen, this is a great question, and it's actually on a specific topic that a lot of people don't know about. So if you didn't know, the answer to this question is yes. There are actually a ton of online job opportunities for specifically pharmacy technicians. Okay, so you can just Google and research this yourself, and actually we have a ton of information about this in our private community and also on our website, pharmacytechlessons.com. But in a nutshell, look up companies like Pharmerica. They have like online jobs to where pharmacy technicians can actually do order entry from at home. So it's super duper cool. All you have to do is be at home, have a computer, and you can literally be inputting your information and working and getting paid as a pharmacy technician at the same time. And actually some of these insurance companies as well have a lot of job opportunities. And I don't know if you guys have heard about Amazon and their entry level into the pharmacy industry, but there's going to be a lot of new cool things coming up for pharmacy technicians like yourself, pharmacists, even in pharmacy sales. Okay, there are going to be a lot of new opportunities coming up, so be on the lookouts for those. Don't just limit yourself, guys, to retail pharmacy or even hospital pharmacy. Don't just limit yourself to that. Okay, there are a lot of awesome opportunities out here for jobs, and in a nutshell, the answer to this question is yes. You can actually work from home as a pharmacy technician, contrary to popular belief. So if you didn't know about this, then you heard about it here first. All right, so that's going to conclude this episode. That's going to answer your question. Great question. Thank you for sending it in. Keep on sending more questions if you have questions about how to get into these job fields, what they actually entail, and we'll be here to let you know. But guys, this has been Onisha Biggs of PharmacyTechLessons.com. You keep asking questions, and I'll keep giving you the answers. Have a great day.